A leader since the fetus, yes I am. Got homage on the track just to bless my jam. Breaking bread with my neighbors, how I rep my fam. Cause the more that I'm selfish, then the less I am. Still losing my religion like REM, aka refusing to conform with them. Gotta seek truth in life, then show them the way. Born to lead the flock, it was written, some was stray.
So original in thought, you son of a king. Shaped from an idea before the earth was a seed. Discovered early before he could read that. Going with the flow wasn't his way to be. The passion in the blood could cause a stampede. His ambitions are too deep, cause he can clearly see. He's blessed with the vision to break his people free. Realized at birth that he was shaped to lead.
See, I was built for it. He was built for it. Yeah, see, we was built for it. Since the fetus via Jesus didn't vote for Caesar, had a dream that he was spitting weak. You didn't notice either. True leaders set aside their own comfort just to serve others. Sisters, brothers, single fathers and mothers. False teachers spill from the mouths of hell's messengers. They only like to hear themselves talk and bear pestilence. Controllers with scriptures according to their excellence, but there is no condemnation in Christ. Save your arborist.